So welcome to the new video from Flying Raven Studios. I'm Ben, and this week is going to be a real short video. Basically, we're just introducing the new theme that we're going to have a look at. Now, we've seen lots of different things that have come out from Games Workshop recently, all revolved around Necromunda, and pretty much since the 2017 release, they've had a consistent flow of stuff. So we thought, hey, let's have a look at it, let's see what we've got coming. So we're going to have a look, we're going to see a few different styles and techniques that we can use to really make your Necromunda gangs or scenery really pop. And make that board that you want to build, that one that you've seen in the magazine, come to life. So stick with us, we'll show you a few things that we've done and we'll enjoy it over the next few weeks. So thanks, catch you later.